Hey there, if we haven't met yet, my name's Sarah and I'm the mom next door. Today I'm going to show you how to tie your TaeKwonDo white belt. If you're the one trying to learn how to tie a belt, then grab your belt and follow along. If you have a child that needs to learn how to tie their belt, have your child watch and follow along with their belt. It's super important that they learn how to tie their belt independently rather than you learning how to tie the belt for them. First, find the center of your belt. Make sure the tag is facing towards you on your left side. Place the center of the belt just above your belly button. Wrap each side of the belt around your waist and back to the front. The side that comes around to your left should be the side that's tucked underneath the first layer. Make sure to tuck it in all the way around. Take the top layer of your belt, bring it down, back towards you, behind all layers, and up through the top. Pull it tight as you want your belt to fit. The side of your belt with a tag should be the side that's coming up over the top. Pull it off to the right slightly, and then loop the other end of the belt through and pull tight. When you're done tying your TaeKwonDo white belt, the tag should be inside of the belt towards your body on the right side of your body. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, I invite you to like and subscribe.